Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your battery to high performance in Windows 11. So for this what you need to do is go to the start option from here, then here you have to search for the settings option. Sorry, my bad, it will be not settings, it will be control panel option. You have to search for the control panel option from here, and after you click on the control panel you have to make sure that the view by is in the large icons. Then you have to click on the power options from here, then you have to wait couple of seconds. Then here you can see the selected plan is to balance and recommended, and you can simply change the plan by clicking on the high performance here. In my laptop it's not showing, but in your laptop it is supposed to be shown. But if for some reasons if that's not high performance option is not showing, then what you can do is go to the left hand side and click on the create a new plan. Then here you can choose the high performance option from here, and after you click on the high performance option it will just simply transfer your battery power plan to the high performance mode. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.